just fell in love with them. Guys, I am so obsessed. I got so many compliments wearing this hair perfume. The most flattering leggings because I like them a lot. That's why I bought them in 2 different colors. Hey guys! So today's video is going to be a haul and a gift guide slash Christmas wishlist video. And let me tell you how these two connect. So recently I bought some really good things in my opinion and I wanted to share them with you and also believe that each one of them could make a really nice gift for your loved ones. So since we're getting closer to Christmas, I thought that I should film this video now. It's a really good idea. So we'll have all the products linked in the description box, and if something is sold out, I will try to find something similar for you. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with these sneakers right here. So these are the Adidas Original Samba. I'm sure that you've seen them before. So I've been flirting with these sneakers for a while now, but I wasn't really sure if I actually like them, to be honest. I knew for sure that I don't want to buy the classic color with the white and black stripes and the gray color. I think these are the 3 colors to the classic ones, but when I saw these sneakers when I was in LA, I just fell in love with them. I love this green khaki color. I think they look really nice and they match everything. That's why I bought them, and for sure they could make a really nice gift for anyone because who doesn't need a new pair of sneakers, right? So next we're gonna talk about a little bit of makeup. I personally love makeup so much, so of course I would include in this video some makeup products that I bought recently, and of course I would highly recommend to buy makeup products to your loved ones. So first I want to talk about this one right here. So this is a kit that contains 5 mini Makeup Forever lip liners. If you know Makeup Forever lip liners are the best, literally. They're very pigmented, they don't smudge, they last forever, and they also have very beautiful shades. And in this kit right here you get the 3 most popular shades. So this kit gives you 5 mini lip liners, like I said. So this is what it looks like. The size for me is perfect for a mini lip liner because it's more than the half of the original size. Also lip liners last forever, so that's perfect. So the shades that you get are the Whatever Black. So we have the perfect black here, super pigmented. Next we have the All Around White, such a beautiful white color. You can use it under your eyes or on your inner corner or as a white eyeliner, maybe as a highlighter, I don't know, very useful. Next we have the Anywhere Caffeine. This is my favorite nude brownie shade, and it's this one right here. For me, this is the perfect nude brownie shade. I love it so much. I wear it non-stop, almost every day. We also have the Whatever Walnut, which is another favorite. Like these two, the Anywhere Caffeine and the Whatever Walnut, are my go-to forever favorite lip liner shades. I'm not joking. The Anywhere Caffeine has the brownie shade and this specific one, and this one has the pinky shade. And last but not least, we have the Limitless Brown, and it's this one right here. Another very beautiful color. This is a dark brown and I also wear it a lot. So I highly recommend this kit right here because you can save so much money. Lip liners usually tend to be a little bit expensive, so with this kit you get 5 mini in such reasonable price, so I highly recommend it. So next we have some Kylie Cosmetics products. So I'm gonna show you first this brow kit right here because this is also a really nice deal, I would say. So if you buy this one, you get the brow pencil and you also get the brow gel. So I bought the shade, the Cool Brown. I like this brow pencil a lot because it's very thin, and I personally prefer the thin brow pencils because they're easier to use when I do my brows. And it reminds me a lot of the Refi one, which is one of my favorite brow pencils. Also, it's very similar to the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and the Bobbi Brown one. So yeah, this is another really good brow pencil in my opinion, and with this kit you get 2-in-1. You will get the brow pencil and we also have the brow gel. I also tried this one. I wear it right now on my brows and it's nice. So the next thing we have from the Kylie Cosmetics products is this lip gloss right here. I have the shade Lovable, and this is the one that I have on my lips right now. I'm gonna reapply it because I talk a lot. And so yeah, this is the shade. I personally love these nude brownie pinky shades. I wear them a lot and I think they're really easy to wear. So when I find a good nude brownie pinky shade, I would definitely buy it. If you love looking bronze as a side kiss, you need these two products in your life. So we have the Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum by Mario, and we also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer. So this serum right here, it will change your life like it changed mine. So you can use it like this. It's easier if you want to mix it with your primer or your moisturizer, for example, and you can apply it as your base before your foundation, or you can wear just this. It gives a really nice bronzy color on your skin. This is what I usually do when I don't want to wear foundation, and this is what I did today, to be honest. I don't wear foundation right now. And it also has a second applicator. This is what it looks like, and you can apply it straight to your face. And for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer, I don't know what to say about this cream bronzer. Like, it's the best, honestly. I know that I say this pretty much for everything, but honestly guys, I just love this one. You don't need a lot of product, it's very pigmented. You just take a little bit with your brush and you can just go all over your face. It's perfect for contouring your face if you like a more sculpted look. And also forgot to say that it's very blendable. That's an important note for a bronzer. So next we have 3 lip gloss. So first I'm gonna show you this Glossier. I can't see what it says here. Anyway, it's a clear one, but it's very, very shimmery and it makes your lips amazing. I got so many compliments wearing this lip gloss. I wear it sometimes just by itself with a lip liner, or you can also wear it on top of a lipstick if you want to give a little bit of shimmer. Next, we have this Patrick Ta Silky Lip Creme, and I have the shade Seductive. So this is another favorite shade for, especially now for fall winter season, is amazing. It looks really nice on the lips. I also got many compliments wearing this one. It has like a brownie burgundy shade, I would say. It's very creamy and it doesn't dry your lips. And last but not least, I have another lip product. So this is the YSL Love Sign Candy Glow in the shade Pink Sunrise. Guys, I am so obsessed with this lip gloss / lip balm because this is also very hydrating for your lips. It has a very nice pinky / clear shade. It doesn't give you matte color, but you can definitely tell that you have something nice on your lip. I really want to buy its color on this one. And since we're talking about makeup, I couldn't miss these 2 products. We have this eyeshadow palette by Mario. For me, this is the perfect palette. It has all the nude brownie colors that you need. You can create hundreds and hundreds of different combinations. And of course, my all-time favorite foundation, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. I will keep buying it for the rest of my life. It's the perfect foundation. If you want a lightweight coverage, go for this. If you want a full coverage, again, go for this. It can please everyone. So next I want to talk about this product right here. It's a hair perfume and it's the Parfum de Marly, the Valaya. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is the best purchase I've done in 2024. You could spray it in your hair right now and it could last for 2 days straight. I'm no joking. I got so many compliments wearing this hair perfume, and I will also buy the perfume, that's for sure. This is my favorite smell, that's for sure, and it reminds me a lot of Los Angeles because I bought it there. I have one more thing for your hair, and it's this hair straightener, the GHD Gold Professional Advanced Styler. I sold you this product on my last video and it was the day that I got it, so I couldn't really tell if I actually like it. But today, guys, after a couple of weeks, I can tell that this is such a nice hair straightener. It doesn't damage your hair, but of course you need hair protectant. It's such a nice hair straightener. You could also use it to curl your hair if you want. My opinion is really nice and it's worth the money. So I would highly recommend to spoil yourself or your loved ones with one of these. It's getting dark, so I had to turn on my lighting. So now I want to talk about my all-time favorite activewear brand, the Honor Active. Ever since I tried their products, I cannot wear anything else. For me, they have the best gym wear, and my goal is to buy every legging on each color and every sports bra on each color and all the products in general on each color. So a couple of weeks ago, I treated myself with some new gym wear. So I bought 2 new sports bras. So this is the one. I bought this purpley lavender color. It has this low cut, they're very flattering on the chest, and also this crisscross on the back is so flattering. It has the removable pads perfect. Also, the straps are adjustable and the quality is unreal. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, I highly recommend to buy one of their products, maybe a sports bra, or their leggings are so good, or even their tracksuits. I just love all of them. I also bought the same sports bra in the black color, but I don't have it right now. So I also bought these leggings in this color. The most flattering leggings on your waist, on your bum, on your legs. Underactive, you need to sponsor me. Guys, I love you. So I bought the same leggings in this color as well. It's a very beautiful burgundy color. And I also bought these leggings in this Barbie pink color. This is my color. I love it. I love pink. I also have the same color in the sports bra, and when I wear this set, chef's kiss. Best activewear brand ever. So from Honor Active, I also want to show you these tracksuits that I bought the other day. So I have this one in a black dark gray color. So the joggers are a straight leg jogger. I didn't used to be a fan of the straight leg jogger, but now I love them. I love how they fit and how they sit on the shoes. It also has a drawstring here. You adjust it on your waist. I went for the size small on this one. And also on top, it comes with a jacket, which I love. Another thing that I didn't used to be a fan of, I usually went for the hoodies and sweatshirts. I went for the size small on this one as well. The quality is really nice, and we also have the same one in a white color because I like them a lot, and that's why I bought them in two different colors. So again, we have the straight leg jogger. This white color is so nice. I had bought this one. I bought the white color first, and then I went for the black. I chose the jogger on this one on the size in the size medium, but on the black one I went for the small one because I think that it fitted me better. And we also have the jacket. On this one I went for the size small. A white tracksuit always looks so nice. I think these tracksuits were from their limited edition, so I don't think that they sell them anymore. But I will try to find something similar from their website, guys, for you in case you're interested. Trust me, if you have this activewear brand in your life, there's no coming back. You will spend all your money on their products, like me. So guys, next I want to show you a couple of Skims products. So for me, Skims has a really nice underwear. So I bought the other day this bra in this color. I also have this bra in a lighter shade. Flatters your chest so nicely. Quality is really nice. I think this is the Pusa bra, seamless under your clothes. In my opinion, everyone needs a bra like this in their lives. Another thing that I like about the Skims products is the shapewear. So I bought this shapewear the other day. This is the seamless called mid-waist, mid-thigh sort. It's the color sand, and I went for the size large. It has strong support. So this shapewear is supposed to enhance your natural shape, makes your stomach look really nice, and is very flattering on your bum and your thighs, and literally make you look unreal. And especially if you wear fitted clothes like a long midi dress. It is very useful and such a nice gift, and especially now for Christmas that we all eat a lot, we're gonna need one of these to flutter our stomach or something. So the last thing I bought from Skims is this tracksuit right here in this very beautiful red cherry color. I wore this tracksuit on my last video when I decorated my Christmas tree. I am so obsessed with this color. It looks really nice. So this is a classic baggy jogger. It also has a drawstring here. You can adjust it on your waist. I went for the size medium on this one, and it's quite baggy. Also the small size will look really nice. And we also have the jacket. You can find the exact same pair with the sweatshirt on top or a hoodie, I don't remember. But I went for the jacket because, like I said already, I love jackets at the moment. This is kind of a cropped jacket. You can never go wrong with a tracksuit, and you can always add a new set in your wardrobe. So I want to switch to something different, and I want to talk about this book series right here. It's the Avatar. So I only have here the 3 books out of 5. I'm almost done with the second one, and I'm gonna move on to the third book. So this is a fantasy romance book series. I never used to be a fan of the fantasy books, but this series right here honestly made me a fantasy book lover. If you like reading, I'm sure that you've heard about this series before. So if you haven't given it a go yet, I highly recommend it. I'm not gonna get into details because it's gonna take me 5 hours if I start talking about this series. It's so good. I'm just gonna say that it's dramatic, it's magical, and sexy. Every time I start reading this series, like, time flies so quickly. Yeah, books are always such a nice gift. So guys, we're getting there. I feel like this video is going to be very long, but honestly, I wanted to show you each one of these items because, in my opinion, I think they're really good. So I'm gonna show you these two sunglasses right here. So if you haven't noticed, wearing clear sunglasses is such a thing at the moment. So I chose this one right here. I think they're really cool. I think that these sunglasses are a love-hate relationship, and I personally really like them. You can definitely elevate your outfit. And the good thing about these clear sunglasses is that you can also wear them at night. And I personally like wearing sunglasses at night just for the whole vibe. But just because wearing sunglasses at night, and especially black sunglasses, for example, is a little bit, I don't know, people look at you and think that it's a little bit weird. With these sunglasses, no one can tell anyone because they're clear. And I also bought these eyeglasses from Urban Outfitters. I also like this whole vibe. They make you look really smart and cute. So next I want to show you this top right here. So I bought this from Zara when I was in Los Angeles. I am sure that you've seen this top before or similar styles because this style is very popular at the moment. Such a cute top with the gold buttons. It's giving this old money vibe. I really like it. I will put a picture on the screen so I can show you how I wear it. Next, I want to show you this sparkling top right here. This is the one that I'm wearing on the picture that I showed you with my sunglasses. They look so nice together. I wanted a top like this because for me this top is so easy to wear because it's one of these tops that you can wear them with black plain pants, for example, and your outfit look really nice just because of this top. It's see-through, so you definitely need to wear something underneath. I wore it with a nude bra and you couldn't see anything, but you could also wear it with something black. So the next thing I want to show you is this faux leather very mini skirt right here. I really like this brownie color of the skirt and the detail on the side, on both sides actually. It's a faux leather mini skirt. It could look nice with anything. My vision is to wear this mini skirt with some brown cowboy boots that I have already. And last but not least, I have this oversized t-shirt right here. I bought this one from Urban Outfitters. It's a Los Angeles top. I was in Los Angeles, so of course I had to buy something like this. I love oversized t-shirts. I wear them every single day. I wear them at the gym, I wear them at home, I wear them when I sleep at night. And this yellowy creamy color, so cute. So guys, we made it to the end. Oh my god, I've been filming for hours and hours. If you're still here with me, thank you so much for watching. Write me in the comments below what you think, which one is your favorite item, if you wanna buy anything, and also write me in the comments below if you're buying any gifts to your loved ones. So I'm gonna love you and leave you. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your friends. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will have the link in the description box. I post there every day, and I will hopefully see you to my next video.